Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the aligned cobble stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the triple crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the aligned cobble stitch, but we are looking at the back of my work. The reason being, when you make the aligned cobble, you are going to work a row in between of foundation stitches. In this case, we are using single crochet, and then you're going to make your aligned cobble row. And when you alternate between those two rows, all of your cobbles are going to show up on the other side of your work altogether. So if you're starting from the very beginning, making chains, you're going to want to make chains the multiple of 2 plus 2. You're then going to work your first row being all single crochet, and that's going to be your little foundation row. You would then work your next row as the aligned cobble row. And I will show you how to do that on the row that I'm currently working, because the row that I had previously worked on my swatch is my little foundation row of all single crochets. So on the row that I'm currently working, I have made one chain. In your first stitch, you're going to make one single crochet. Then in your next stitch, you're going to make one triple crochet. In your next stitch, you're going to make one single crochet. Then in your next stitch, you're going to make a triple. In your next stitch, you're going to make one single crochet. In your next stitch, you're going to make one triple. You would then alternate between making one single and one triple for the rest of your row. In your last stitch, you should make a single crochet, and it should match the single crochet you made at the beginning of your row. So again, this is the back of my work. Then we are going to turn. And this is what the front should look like. So again, your next row would be a row of all single crochet. Then you would make this row again. And if you do the single, single, triple, it will line up, and all your triples will line up and all your singles will line up. And that is going to be how to make the aligned cobble stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.